I've been using the Canon R50V for the past 3 months, and honestly, I've enjoyed using this camera more than I thought I would. So in today's video, I want to just share with you how it's been performing, tell you what I love about it, and a few things I also think you should know if you're considering picking this camera up. The build of this camera was very surprising and different from anything that I've seen from Canon. I like that it has this boxy build. It's not premium material, but I think it's acceptable for its price. I like the record button on the front, the tally lights, the zoom rocker, the scroll wheel, and the quick video modes, just to name a few. The ergonomics of this camera are just okay, but I think Canon could have given us a deeper grip on this camera. I've had to buy other accessories to pretty much combat this, so make sure you check out those videos. I'll link them in the description of this video. And having used the PowerShot V1, I just feel a little cheated as that camera has a better grip on it. I do know that it has a slightly higher price, and maybe that's why it has the better grip on it. I would have also liked if it had a better thumb grip on the camera, also similar to the PowerShot V1. I think the R50V delivers great video. It has Canon's color science, though slightly tweaked, and it even has 10-bit recording if you want to experiment with color grading later. As a person that has owned several Canon cameras, it's nice to finally see this on their lower end cameras. Photos, it takes pretty good pics that are more than enough for travel, family, or just posting online. This camera is pretty easy to use. Although the menu system has been updated for this camera and it took me a while to get used to it, I still find everything pretty intuitive and not too hard to figure out. And that's definitely a plus when you're trying to learn your new camera. It also has a touchscreen that is fast and responsive, and you can customize buttons to make changing the settings really quick. With the price range of this camera, there are some limitations. So there's no in-body stabilization, which means handheld video can look a bit shaky unless your lens has stabilization built in it. If you are used to stabilization from a camera like the Osmo Pocket 3, the R50V may leave you a little disappointed. It does have digital IS, just keep in mind that it does add an additional crop. There's also no viewfinder with this camera, but I feel that the flip out screen does a decent job, even outdoors. And yes, this camera does feel cheap, but that's what makes the camera so lightweight and come in at the price that it does. The battery life isn't the best in video mode because it's using the small LP batteries, so I would recommend having at least one spare battery. I really wish that Canon had put the same batteries that you can find in the EOS R line, so the LP E69 batteries would have been perfect in this camera. While I do think that Canon has more RFS lenses available than they had in the past, I would still like to see more lenses released for this camera and other crop censored R-line cameras. I'm happy to see what Sigma is doing with the 18-50 2.8 and the 17-40 f1.4. These are two lenses that I hope that I'll be able to try out soon. If you're new to cameras and you want something that's easy to learn but it still gives you great looking results, the R50V is a great option. It's affordable, portable, and way more powerful than it looks. I wish this existed when I first started creating. Nonetheless, I also think this camera will be good for people that already have their main Canon camera and want this as a B or C camera, especially since this camera now includes C-Log. So is the Canon R50V worth it? For beginners, absolutely. I think it's one of the easiest ways to step up from your phone and start making videos or photos that look great, while also leaving some room in your budget to pick up other things such as lights, mics, etc. I've truly enjoyed using this as my everyday camera to capture moments with the fam, travel with this camera, and just also using it for creating quick content. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly camera content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace and positive vibes.